Welcome to installation, wiring and programming of NVFPV. Please read the product instruction carefully before operation. Before starting the operation, please wear insulated gloves and prepare the tools and products listed above. Connect the DC circuit breaker to the frequency converter. The positive and negative poles of the breaker must match accordingly. Disconnect MC4 connector of PV panels to prevent electric shock. The PV panel shall be connected to the DC breaker in the control panel, and the positive and negative terminals must be connected correctly. For AC power supply, connect its 3 phases to the frequency converters R, S, and T terminals. This video only shows a DC power supply connection. Refer to the table and verify the frequency converter input voltage. The pump's input wires, U, V, W, PE, shall be correspondingly connected to the frequency converter's terminals. The wiring of the product is shown in the figure. The 2 wires of the water level sensor shall be connected to the COM and X3 terminals on the frequency converter's control terminal block. The wiring of the product is shown in the figure. Connect the MC4 connector. Check the frequency converter model and wiring. After confirming they are correct, close DC breaker to power on. Set F002 to value 1 for terminal control. LOCREM indicator is on. Set up from F201 to F205 according to the water pump parameters. Set A314 to value 1 for power supply from PV panels. That's the quick guide for the NVFPV. For more information, please visit our official website, or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.